Okay, go. It's
Alright
recording.
guys, we're cutting in this bitch. My wire's gonna fit in that hole. So let me go to me.
Hold it, bro.
You should cut that bitch straighter.
Oh, but this is a good stream.
This is gonna be straighter than you. Good? This should be good. Yeah, maybe got a little more on the edges.
Yeah? Yeah. So we just cut a hole right here for these two to fit through. Because there was no other way to put it in. And we're also gonna do a little thing how it didn't come with the right things like this. So we're plug this one. We're just gonna cut and splice into these two. Connect this one to the black one and the red one to the green one.
Alright, Enrique. So what's going on? What's going on, boys?
Huh?
What's going on here? What's going on here?
This is what we did, bro.
Alright,
We
explain.
made the hole to fit these because if we didn't make it the hole, they wouldn't be able to go out. And this is what I meant. So this green wire goes to the red, and then the black one goes to the black. And then right here, this shit goes. We bolted it up to this. I don't know if you can see it. To this screw right here, which it's the mount for the headlight. But that's basically it. Simple to do. Should be your final result. Like that. Both work. Huh? Yeah. Yes. You can see it's on their little projector in there too. Simple as that, right?
Sir.
It looks way better than the other ones you had, bro. They had fucking water inside.
Hopefully this one stay like this good.
What?
Stay like that. When my water goes in. That's what we fucked up on the caps.
Oh, bro, we forgot to put tape on one of them.
Oh my mama. Fuck. Looks like we need
That's
a little
it.
More low, no?
What?
We need more low.
I say he should max them out. What do you guys think?
Ignore the missing part.
What do you guys think? Should he paint his wheels black and then some gold lug nuts? Yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think?
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottles on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember getting them all with the whole team. Now niggas take us a call cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me dripping. Straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen, like London and Phil. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I had decided to pay back and I was sitting back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some keys, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the rain and I gave my bitch a new coupe. Either you run a y'all gang or you got a New Orleans I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember getting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass, daddy, whoa, whoa. Bitch to my toes, twins, I'm fucking a boat. I put it in